I'm going to Bali for about a month, maybe two, to Canggu, which is about here. And this is what I'll bring. First a big bag for the checked-in luggage, and a smaller suitcase for the carry-on. And then I have a backpacking bag for a week to Java. A smaller backpack for everyday use. And a small bag for the valuables like a wallet and a passport. Then we're also bringing tech. I'm bringing my laptop, of course a charger. I'm bringing an extra phone, iPhone 12 mini. 2 heavy power banks of 20,000 milliamp hours. Of course the chargers for all of them. And some cables. And an external SSD. And a USB hub for the laptop. Oh, and don't forget your earphones, very important. Then I will bring 2 sunglasses in case I will lose one. I can still protect my eyes. Then something you really can't forget, of course, a compass. Who travels nowadays without a compass, right? And in the same category, a fire stick, in case you get lost in the jungle and need to make some food. Then also a headlight in case I might go camping. And a waterproof bag for my phone, for the sea or swimming pools. Oh, and 2 prescription glasses. Then, because I'm traveling international, I also need my passport and vaccine passport. Okay, toiletries. I'm quite blind, so I'm bringing a bunch of lenses and lens cases and liquids to clean them. And some more spare lenses. These are daily instead of monthly lenses. A toothbrush, can't forget. Some travel-sized toothpaste, 2 kinds. Travel-sized shaving cream. And some blades. Some antiperspirants. And some face wipes for camping. Some aspirins. And some shampoo/conditioner. Then my main wallet. And I will also be bringing a backup wallet with some American dollars in them, since you can use them almost anywhere in the world, or I can exchange them for Indonesian rupiah. Can't forget a towel, and in case I go hiking in the mountains or a volcano, it might get quite cold over there, so a nice sweater. And a wool overshirt. This is really warm. And a waterproof jacket. Now for clothing, I'm bringing a whole bunch, probably too many undershirts. Probably also too much underwear. I don't know how the washing situation is gonna be, so better have too many. Same goes for the socks. Way too many. I even bought new ones, which probably isn't necessary. Then I am bringing some shirts. I'm also planning to buy shirts over there, so I'm not bringing too many. Just making sure they're not too warm. Same goes for the pants. A couple of long ones, a couple of short ones, all very light material, so not too hot. And I'm planning to buy some over there. Now let's go pack everything up. I'm bringing at least a chain of clothes in my carry-on in case my checked-in luggage gets lost, you never know. And now the big luggage. I will probably also put a few toiletries in my carry-on luggage, so I can at least survive one night in case something goes wrong. Don't forget, very important, some beaten up flip-flops, some hiking shoes, and some beaten up white sneakers. I'll probably be wearing them in the airport. This bag has a very convenient pocket for your shoes, so the rest of your luggage doesn't get dirty. Now the smaller backpack, this I will mainly use for my tech, my laptop, my power banks, so I can use it in the airplane. I've also printed my plane tickets and visa and whatever on paper, in case there's no internet from my phone, and I have a little book to have something to do in the airplane. I almost forgot, of course, my backpacking backpack. Luckily we have still a lot of room left in the checked-in luggage bag, so we can just put this on top and still have room left over. So that's about it. That's all my luggage that I'm bringing to Bali. Let me know if you have some questions or if you want me to check something out, and I will gladly make a video about it. Bye.